this quick guide, I'll show you how to record a loan in Zoho Books, keeping your finances accurate and organized. Start by navigating to the banking module and select the bank account where the loan funds are received. Click Add Transaction and choose Deposit from Other Accounts. This tells Zoho Books that the incoming money is a loan, not regular income. Next, select your loan payable account as the From account to properly categorize the loan as a liability. Enter the date the loan was received and the exact amount to ensure your records are precise. Finally, double check all details. Bank account, from slash to accounts, date and amount, and click Save. Your loan is now recorded, showing up in your bank account and liability account correctly. And that's it. Your Zoho Books records are updated, helping you stay on top of your financial obligations. Like and subscribe for more Zoho Books tips.